In this lesson, we're going to be working on a topic called simplifying algebraic expressions. Now, on the screen, you're going to see an algebraic expression. This is called a polynomial. Poly means many, okay? And this is another polynomial, and it said the instructions are typically going to say simplify. Now again, many times simplify just means see what you can put together and see what you can do with it. So that's what we're going to do in this case. Now, there's an added interest here because we have parentheses. So we have all of this added to all of this. So what we want to do first is we want to get rid of the parentheses. Well, you'll notice that there is a plus all of this, so everything keeps its sign. And so let's just get rid of the parentheses and see what we get. X to the third plus 3x squared plus 2, that's plus 2x cubed. That is minus 4x, and that is plus 4. If you're not sure how I got those charges, or putting the plus with a plus and the plus with the minus, you may want to check your original activities that we did, in which you can check the rules for putting them together. Now, all the parentheses are gone and they're sitting next to each other. So what I want to do is I want to put together every one that looks alike. It is really just a pairing up game. So you'll notice this one and this one both have x cubed. So let's go ahead and put those together. That's understood to be a 1x cubed, and plus 2x cubed is going to be 3x cubed. And then you have something here that looks alike. And you'll notice, oh, well, there's not an x squared on this side, so there's only one of those, 3x squared. And then you have somebody that has just one x, so that's minus 4x. There's no partner to go with this one. And then what do you have left? You have 2 plus 4, and that is 6. Now, some things you have to take into consideration. Think of this as very different. An x cubed and an x squared are very different from one another. It's an apple and an orange. They're different. You can't put them together. But I can put things together, apple and apple, that are alike. So the 1 and the 2 made 3. There wasn't another x squared at all, so that just stayed the same. There was only one x, and then there was a number. Also notice when it's written, the numbers work down. Third power, second power, first power, that's understood. You don't have to write it in. And then no power. That's the correct answer to this one. Let's try one more, and then I'll let you try a few on your own. Let's try one like this. 3x to the fourth minus 2x squared plus 3, that's in parentheses, minus x to the fourth minus 2x cubed plus x squared. Now, if I'm going too fast, pause the video, make sure you get the whole equation before I take off, and you can work it with me. In this example, I still have a polynomial and another polynomial, but this time it's not a plus sign, it's a minus sign, so we have to be very careful. Let's get rid of the parentheses first. 3x to the fourth minus 2x squared plus 3. Minus and a plus is minus, so basically you're multiplying everybody in there by -1, so it changes the charge. Minus x to the fourth plus 2x cubed minus x squared. Now let me say that again. That's a 1, and it's like multiplying -1 through everything is going to change charge. So let's see who's alike. I see x to the fourth is the biggest power, so 3x to the fourth minus an x to the fourth is 2x to the fourth, because 3 minus 1 is 2. Do I have any x to the thirds? I do. There it is, and that's all I have, plus 2x to the third. Now I'm looking for the x squared, and I've got 1 there, minus 2x squared, and another one there, and that's minus 1. Remembering the rules, minus 2x squared minus 1x squared is a minus 3x squared. If you're not quite sure of that, go back and check out your rules on that one from our initial time that we did it. So I have x to the fourth, x to the third, x to the second. I should have something with an x. I don't. I've already used that. I've already used that. Probably a good idea to mark them out as you use them. All I have is a plus 3 that's left. So that has to be my answer. I multiply the negative through, put them all together, match them up with their partners. Those were alike. Those were alike. That one had the third power. And that's all I have left. That's all there is to it. When it says simplify, putting them all together, you'll notice the numbers out front, 2, 2, 3, 3. There's nothing I can take out of all of them. So this must be my answer. In the next section, you're going to try out a few of these on your own. Good luck with it.